Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy, Kaleem. You already know, Kaleem from KaleemBeats.com. Visit my website, www.kaleembeats.com, if you need any type of beats. I got an instant store, no waiting, no hassle. Anyway, I'm going to get right into this tutorial about linking your MIDI keyboard knobs to the FL Studio knobs. It's actually pretty easier than people think. I got an Alesis QX49 or Alexis, whatever they call that shit. But I got the volume knobs, I got pads, I got 4 pads, and then I got about 8 knobs for left and right or whatever. I'm gonna show you one about left and right knobs because that's easier for me to use. Make sure you're on a track that obviously clearly has a sound. This is a regular sound that I just had for one of my different tutorials. What I'm gonna do is right click on the knob that I want to use. So okay, I'm messing around with knob number 1 on my MIDI keyboard. First of all, do not move it yet. So just know which knob you want to use. They label mine as K1 because clearly that's knob 1. So what you do is you come over here to whatever you want to do and you just right click and say link to controller. You click that, then you touch that first knob. So bow, it'll automatically cut off and you see it's moving it. So I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to reset this. I'm going to right click, link to controller. I'm going to reset it so I can show y'all one more time because a lot of people, get confused. Reset it. You can click accept. It's not linked no more. What you do is go to that knob. All these knobs. Go to that knob, right click, link to controller. Bow. You ain't got to click nothing in here. Just move that knob that you want to use connected to that. Bow. It's there. And I'm going to show you how it works now. So I'm going to play this pattern. I got my knob all the way to the left clearly. All the way to the left. I'm going to play it. Bow. And the great thing about that is that if you want to know how to create automation clips from these knobs that you have, first of all, I'm going to reset it back to 0 and then I'm going to right click and reset it just to be sure. If you want to create an automation clip of you doing that, all you have to do is this. Okay, you see I got all these patterns. My pattern that I'm using right now is pattern 7. Don't mind the 4 being highlighted. I'm actually using this. So pattern 7 is the one that we're going to be using to manipulate. So what you do is you click over here. You don't click it actually. You just right click and you make sure that automation is checked. Not score, not audio, not clips. Just automation. What you do is you come over here. Make sure that you're 1, 2, 3. So you have a countdown instead of just it starts and then you sitting there trying to mess around with it. You got the 1, 2, 3 ready, which means that when basically you click that record button, it's gonna go kink, 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 and then you can start playing with it. So I'm gonna click the record button. After you make sure all this is checked, click the record button. Bow. You see that? You see my knob is moving. You see my knob is moving. Let me reset it. Everything is working. When I click play, then I can manipulate it. So I'm gonna click play. Cut this off. There's so many times that I have forgot to cut this off and I'm coming back and I'm like, yo, what the hell? Why do they think I'm trying to record something? I'm trying to reset the knob and the knob is confused and all that. So cut this off and now there's no more. You can keep this on just so if you want to come back and you don't have to keep doing it. And then, you click play. Bow. It's already in there. So even if you so what I do to make it easier for me is that when I come back to this knob and I don't want the link no more, I just right click, go to link to controller, reset, click accept, or you can X out, and then it's still in here. That pattern's still in here. You'll see how that coincides. So left or right, left, right, left, right, left. You see how the knob that I was moving it is on time. So when I play it, you'll hear it. That's how you link your knobs. Another great thing that people, I'm gonna undo this recording, But another great thing that you can do, I'm gonna play this beat. I'm gonna put in, since it's not linked anymore, I'm gonna reset it so it's reset, and you see it's not, no problems no more. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open a parametric EQ, and a lot of people don't notice, but if you go to the 30 hertz one, I just usually disable this and cut it off because I don't need any low pass or anything. I just need a high pass. Ooh, how am I gonna get it to do this? You can do it in a pattern form, and it won't suck. It won't be trash. It'll be great, but you can do it with a knob if your computer doesn't have any latency issues. So I'm gonna right click, do the same thing like I did before, link to controller. Bow, it's already linked. Wow. Goes all the way down when I'm on 0, goes all the way up when I'm all the way high. It works. So with this beat, I can do that, and then it kind of creates that filter sound for it. So check it out. Oops, not this. Bow. Got it. Now, when you're done, you can do an automation clip, do the same damn thing that I said before. Just turn on that and mess with the knobs, and you got it in there. Also, be mindful that even though this is in the master track, the automation that you're doing with this moving is going to be in pattern 7. If you don't want it in there and you want it in a new pattern, say pattern 14, you know how I won't let you extend anything because you don't see 15 and all the rest of them. Just click pattern 15, put an empty pattern in there, click record, and then what you're doing in here will be going in that pattern 15, not pattern 7 on top of your sound. And you can always undo sounds, and it's very, very fun. And I've learned to use this with everything, including gross beat even. You can just right click on the gross beat knobs and bow, you got it. So this has been another tutorial about how to use your MIDI keyboard knobs from Clean Beats, man. And make sure y'all holler at my website, www.cleanbeats.com, instant store, no hassles, no wait. Please, like I always say in every video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment, because I will get back to y'all. No matter how many people, I will get back to y'all. So, like, subscribe, man. Support my beats, man. I support other producers also. And y'all just stay blessed, man. Y'all have a great day, man.